How to uninstall Need for Speed. If you want to delete Need for Speed from your phone, here is the simple way to do it. So let's get started. The first method, which is quite simple and very easy, you just have to locate your Need for Speed application, then tap on it. Now you can see the pop-up on your screen. You just have to click on Remove App. This will uninstall your app from the mobile phone. And the second option would be heading on to your settings. In the settings, you have to tap onto the general section. Then from the general section, you have to tap in iPhone storage. Now you have to locate the Need for Speed application. Then tap on it. Here you can see the option of delete application. You just have to tap on it to uninstall Need for Speed from your mobile phone. And this is how you can uninstall Need for Speed from your phone simply and easily. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tutorials. Drop a comment if you have question or suggestion for future videos. And don't forget to check out our playlist. See you in the next one.